Hello, this is Moshbari. Welcome to this video. In this video, we will share how you can get paid in cryptocurrency, currencies like Bitcoin, for playing games, watching videos, taking surveys, and one of the most passive ways to make money online. And in this way, you will earn cryptos using passive income system that will come later. But at the beginning, I want to share how this website that has over 7.5 million monthly visitors, they are super serious about their business, and they have 4.4 rating in Trustpilot across 3,000 reviewers. Yeah, they will pay you with crypto. If this sounds good, hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you get notified when we will upload our next video. And next video will come with another unique and awesome way to make money online. And of course, as usual, in this video also and in the next video also, we will be giving away our premium software 100% free that will help you make passive income, not active, passive income. Ready for this? So let's do this. Okay guys, we are on Cointiply.com. It's Cointiply.com. As per their website, they have over 2.7 million monthly users, and it's super simple to join this website and earn free Bitcoin and other cryptos. Very clear and straightforward landing page. Get more money for the things you love, or start saving for the future by joining Cointiply today. Our members have earned over $3 million in Bitcoin. Now it's your turn. Please stick to the end of the video because there are two ways to make money using this website, active and passive. I will show you the passive way to earn coins in the later part of the video, so please stick to the end of the video. They have a very good Trustpilot rating of over 2,751 users, but basically when we checked Trustpilot, they have 4.4 rating across 3,000 reviewers, which is super awesome. You can earn crypto by playing games, watching videos, shopping online, or signing up for exciting services. Share your opinion on popular products and businesses and earn a real cryptocurrency. In here, they explained why surveys are so important and how much you can earn from each surveys. Well, $1 to $5 for every online survey is super awesome. You know why? Because surveys are mostly click, click, and click. They will give you multiple choice answers. You just have to answer their questions. Once the survey is done, you get paid $1 to $5. Who pays that way? Apparently they do. Who doesn't love to play games? I do. You do as well, I'm sure of it. In this website, you can play games and earn crypto coins. This is more than awesome. In this section, they explained how the website works. You have to sign up, play games and earn coins, complete offers, share your opinion, complete tasks, watch videos, and keep earning coins. But you know what? They did not mention the most passive way to earn coin that I love the most. Stay till to the end of the video. I will share how you can earn passive income using this system, and it will never stop. Using my software, you will amplify your passive income multiple times. I highly recommend you read every single word before you start using any website like this, because they have terms and conditions and you want to make sure you comply with them, because you don't want to be in a situation where you spend a lot of time trying to earn cryptos or other currencies and you end up knowing that you violated some of their policies without knowing that you're violating, or maybe for some reason, maybe the country you are living in is not acceptable by them. So make sure you read everything written on the sales page before you start using. They also have an Android app that you can use to do these tasks, play games, watch videos, and earn coins. They have a referral program and you can earn 25% of any coins earned by your user that you referred. You will earn 10% of their offer earnings and 25% of their faucet earnings. This section gives you all the features, and this section shows you summary of all the numbers they have achieved. Go through their knowledge base, FAQ, tips, payment section, Cointiply section. I love these sections because in these places not only they answer questions of previous users or current users, but also they share a lot of tips they learned from their experience, which help you make more money. Here is an important section in my opinion. I have seen a lot of people get caught in the processing period. People think that always the processing is instant. It may not be the case. Well, 24 to 72 hours processing time is super okay, but if you don't know about it, you might be stressed out when you see any delay. So yes, go through all these sections and read every section. Signing up process is super simple. You just have to give your first name, your email, and your chosen password. Check the box I agree to the terms of service and privacy policy and click the sign up now button, and that's it. You sign up and now you are in the dashboard. Try to get familiarized with every section: the dashboard, the earn coins, activity and payments, PTC ads, info, every section. You don't want to miss out the easiest ways to make money online. So go through all the sections and get familiar with every single one. Now it's time to make some coins. Let's watch some ads or view some videos and earn coins. Click view, and now I'm viewing a video. Yeah, just viewed a video and earned 10 coins. So awesome. Now you probably understand a lot of the views we see on YouTube are coming from this kind of ads. You can withdraw your earnings from this section, and also on the right hand side you see you can earn 5% interest on balances over 35,000 coins. Well, personally, interest is not religiously legal for me, but if it's not a problem for you, you can keep some of your earnings here, like 35,000. In case interest is your thing, you can go ahead do it. Now here comes the promised passive income: referrals. Referrals equals you have a referral link, a unique custom referral link just for you. You just have to share this referral link with others, just people like you and me, and they are also interested to play games, watch videos, and earn bitcoins and other coins. When they do, simply when they join, you earn coins. When they earn by doing activities, you earn more, and you even earn more by being on top of the referral leaderboard. But it's completely passive because your job is to share the referral link, and that's it. You're not actively doing anything here. Others are doing the activities. You are earning the referral income. So let's summarize the video. If you really want to make passive income, whether it's in Bitcoin or in any other coins or in fiat currency, any currency, PayPal currency, anything at all, you should have one thing common in your business. You should inject this one element into any business online, and that is a lead generation system. You must use opt-in forms to collect email opt-ins from your subscribers and build a list of email subscribers, because this is the way you communicate with your subscribers, build your trust and authority among them by giving away, sharing awesome information, and later whenever you ask them to do anything, whether use your referral link and join somewhere, click a link, watch a video, or even buy from you, they will do it. So remember one thing: you must use an opt-in page, opt-in form, or a subscription generation system. And for that, of course, I know that building opt-in page is boring and it's not easy. And that's why we solve this problem. Link in the description will give you our software that turns any PDF into your opt-in page, into your lead magnet, and it drives referral traffic 100% free to your opt-in page, so you keep building your subscribers email list. So go get that software. It's 100% free. It's premium, but it's free for my YouTube viewers. Go get it and use it. Start building your mailing list from today. The second thing, always use referral to earn passive income. But when you refer someone, don't only refer, help them with information, the same information you are learning online. Help them with free softwares, help them with tips and tricks. Make them your partner in the journey of making money online or whatever your niche is. This way, you build your own team, your own followers base, your subscribers base. People will love you and they will take action based on your recommendation. This is the way to make money online. For referral, you need traffic, and for traffic, one of the easiest way to get traffic is called Pinterest. On Pinterest, all you need is a free account and share images from your website and connect your website with those images on, they call pins. So example, this one, okay, this little image, it's connected to this particular link. When you click on this link, you see this website. Now you might be asking whether this website is getting traffic from Pinterest or not. So let me show you. This is the traffic analytics of this website, and they have 392,000 views. Super awesome, right? Now, if we go down below in the traffic details, we see 29% of that traffic comes from social media. Click on the social media section and looks like almost 100%. I mean, yeah, 93% traffic comes from Pinterest. So they're actually getting a lot of traffic from Pinterest. Now, not only that, because this is a blog site, okay? It's a blog site. So they have content. When Pinterest traffic is spending time on this website and going from content to content to content, then Google also knows them as an authority website or an authority blog. So they are also pushing this website on different keywords and ranking. And because of that, they're also sending some paid traffic to the website. Together, they have a lot of search engine traffic and social media traffic. Social media traffic equals Pinterest traffic. Together, a lot of people know them as a good website, so they're coming to this website as a direct user or a visitor over and over. So together, they are enjoying almost 400,000 monthly visitors. This is super awesome, and they can make a lot of money in many different ways from this traffic. Now, in case you build a blog, don't worry about it. Link in the description will help you with my software, 100% free for you. This will help you to build blogs, and another software is there that will help you get traffic from Pinterest. And all you need to do is to add content and your referral link, so people can go through your content, love your content, come back to your website for this content, and go to your referral link, join Cointiply or any other websites like this, and you earn referral commissions from this. If you feel this video was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way YouTube will know you as the most important person to notify when we will upload our next video. And the next video will come with another unique way to make money online. Plus, our premium softwares will be free as usual. And if you think sharing this video will help your friends and family or your social media connections, hit the share button and share this video across all the social media that you are in, and be cool in front of others by sharing awesome information. And we will see you in the next video.